Good morning, you guys. It is 9:27 on the 25th of February. I'm starting this vlog today on a Saturday, take you guys through a weekend in my life. Right now, hopefully if we have time, we are gonna get some Starbucks before we head over to the gym. Me and Coach Kelsey today are going to teach a level 1 tumbling class. And then after that, I have to pick up Jocelyn from my mom's. My mom is honestly so great. She always takes my daughters Friday nights because I work early Saturdays and my boyfriend works early Saturdays as well. So it makes more sense to drop them off the night before so we don't have to drop them off super early Saturday morning and waste more time. So let's see where the day takes us. All right, you guys, we made some time to go get the Starbucks. And I got a venti iced matcha latte with the extra scoop of matcha. These kids today are between the ages of 5 to 9. So gotta make sure you got lots of energy. Let's head to the gym. It's probably like only about like 3-minute drive from here. So we shall see you guys when we get there. Just got to the gym. Let's see if I'm gonna be able to record inside. Let's land with our feet together, okay? It's really sweet. So that part, okay, go down. The beginning part, we want to use our hands together.
This is how tight we need to be when we come out of our forward roll. So I want you to do 3 rocky rolls before you start.
You have to make sure we tuck our head because we can't go on our head like that. You have to tuck. Look at your belly button and tuck and roll. Awesome. Let's keep our knees together, you guys.
How do we start our lunge? What kind of arms do we have? Straight arms. And what are we squeezing? Ears. So let me see that right now. Super tight arms. This is how we should start and end all of our skills. So if we start facing our cartwheel this way, which way should we end? Opposite way. Correct.
Try to stay on the line. So if you're doing that way, you have to lunge this way. There you go. Now go. Go around. Yeah. Good job. Good. Awesome. Finished with the 2 tumbling classes today with Kelsey. They honestly went by super fast. These girls are like really talented. And it's like the ages of 5 to 9. They're super talented. Right now, I'm trying to see if I'm going to pick up Jocelyn from my mom's house or not. If not, I'm gonna go home, change, and pick up my boyfriend. And I will pick up the camera in a bit. Good morning, you guys. It's the next day. I ended up picking up my boyfriend. And then we ended up going to my mom's house because we made her dinner since she always watches the girls. I ended up making some sausage and chicken jambalaya for her. It was a huge batch, so they took half and then we took half of everything. Came home, we all showered, and then Jocelyn is now at that age where she makes sound. Her sound right now is saying da da da, so it sounds like she's saying da da. My boyfriend has been saying da da and like mama to her, and I'll put a little clip here.
Say mama, say dada.
After that, we got home pretty late. It was probably about like 9:30 is when she ended up going to sleep. I was just transferring some videos onto my computer so I can start editing, and just went to sleep from there. Right now it is 1:10. I am heading over to the gym right now because trivia has another practice because they have their second competition, because they are a mid-season team, coming up this Saturday on March 4th out in Sacramento or Stockton. They do have a lot of changes to go through, so we had a practice this past Friday and we have a practice today. After trivia, I kind of have to split it, and I go with Mini Iris. They're a little mini team. They're both prep 1.1 team, so same level for both, just different age groups. Let's head over to the gym right now and we'll see you when we get there.
10, 3, hey, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. That's it.
Let's go, you guys.
5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7.
Can you set up a video? No, someone is. I don't know.
And the air mask part. You guys need to squeeze your hollow position. There should be no feeling lift, yes?
Now squeeze. Squeeze your body.
Good job, Molly. I'm proud of you.
Yay, Molly. Everyone say yay, Molly. Yay, Molly. 4, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. Tumbling on your own really quick. Go.
7. 1 and 2.
5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 4, 7, 1, 3, 4. Come on, yeah! Oh my god. I don't know, but it's okay. Okay, you have like 3 minutes to breathe and grab water.
Who's recording? Whose phone is this?
That's my phone.
Oh! I'm like, who's been? No, that's good. I just thought it was one of theirs.
No. I am back home after a pretty somewhat long day at the gym. Both teams had a lot of changes, but they actually took a lot of those changes and it looks so much better, so much cleaner. I really hope I get to go this weekend with them to their competition. That's it for my weekend as a cheerleading coach and a tumbling coach. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.